podcast because me improve my English.
በጣም አሪፍ ነው። ለመሸምደድ ሞክሪ እሺ ማሬ። ከረንት ሎኬሽንሽን ዱባይ በሚለው ቦታ ከረንት ሎኬሽንን እውነተኛውን ታስገቢያለሽ። ኦኬ እድሜሽም ወላሁ አለም ዋሸሽ አልዋሸሽ አይ ዶንት ኖ እድሜሽን ታስተካክያለሽ right
okay there like if you can
let me try all right go ahead please right
I'm just telling you something look I understand well English my problem is only speaking so I want to improve my speaking skills
no problem my dear I'm here for you
but that's why I'm nervous. I know what I have to say.
Don't be nervous, my dear. Don't be nervous, okay?
But
actually, I'm focusing, teaching, speaking. You know that? Yeah. እኔ አሁን በግልጽ አስተምራ ራሱ ስፒኪንግ ላይ ነው እንጂ ፎከስ ማደርገው ራይቲንግ፣ ሊሲኒንግ ኦኬ፣ ሊሲኒንግም ችግር የለውም። ሊሲኒንግ ላይ እና ስፒኪንግ ላይ ነው እኔ ፎከስ አድርጌ ማስተምረው እንጂ ራይቲንግ I don't care. ራይቲንግ and reading I don't care. ስለሱ አልጨነቅም። ስፒኪንግ ነው ያው ብዙ ሰው ችግር ሆኖ የተገኘ ያለው በኮንፊደንስ እንድታወሩ ነው እኔ ማደርገው እንጂ I don't care you read or write right understand
also my listening skills very well really like but only my problem is speaking if you can
no problem my dear if you want to learn private talk to me on WhatsApp okay
I'll talk to you and when I come here I always try to get a chance but I couldn't and today you gave me a chance thank you
no problem when you be my student also I will give you more chance no problem okay
keep it up I appreciate you I like your confidence I like your everything dear
you like so, my effort right that I'm trying to help people to have a confidence, to build their confidence, right?
Yeah, that's why thank you.
I'm trying my best, guys. You too have a confidence. Okay? Yeah. Inshallah. You have to understand this. Thank you, my dear. Thanks for admire.
Okay.
Have a nice day. Have a great day.
The same for you, dear.
Yeah, great. Next, who's next? All right, Sifan, my dear, would you like to try again?
I doing my best.
Yes, teacher, of course.
All right, please, one more time. Let Sifan try. Then you can start. Okay, my dear. Sorry. All right, Sifan, go ahead, please.
Okay, thank you, my dear, for giving this chance.
You're very welcome. You deserve it. Would you please tell me about yourself a little bit?
Okay, my dear, thank you very much. Okay, my name is Sifan. I'm from Ethiopia. I am 27 years old and currently living in Qatar. I am a housemaid and I hard working and a friendly person. In my free time I watch movie and I read some books. Also I relax in my free time like that.
Bravo, that's very amazing. You did it. The first time was you were a little bit confused, but now you are doing amazing. I like this, my dear. This is amazing. Okay,
thank you very much.
Now you have confidence.
Yeah, you are right. Yes, little bit more than before.
Would you please try it one more time because I like this so much. Try please. Would you please tell me about yourself a little bit?
Okay, my dear. Thank you. Of course. Okay. Hi, my dear. How are you doing? I'm great. Thanks God. So, my name is Sifan. I am from Ethiopia. I am 27 years old and currently living in Qatar. I am a housemaid and I am hardworking and friendly person. In my free time, I watch movies and I read some books. Also, I relax in my room.
Bravo, my dear. I'm so proud of you. You're sweet. Good. That's amazing, my
Thank
dear.
you, my dear.
Oh.
You too sweet.
Didn't I follow you? Didn't I follow you yet? Oh my God, I have to follow you, my dear. I have to
Okay,
I have
follow
to do
me.
that. Oh, I did. Of course. Who's next? Thank you, my dear. Have a great day.
You're welcome, my dear.
Next.
Yes,
Hey, dear. How are you?
I'm great. What about you?
I'm great too, but please remove your earphone, okay, my dear?
No.
If you put earphone, please remove it, okay? Because I can't hear your voice clearly.
Okay, no have no visit. And
All right, earphone action. You sure about that? Thank you. All right. Let's go. ድምፅሽን ከፍ አድርገሽ, okay?
Okay.
All right. እስቲ አሁን all right. Would you please introduce me or would you please tell me about yourself a little bit?
Okay, my
Of course, በይኝ. Of course. እንዲህ ቁልት ነገር of course ብለሽ ቀጥይ.
Okay. Of course, my name is Maya. I'm from Ethiopia, and I'm 10 years old. My country.
Currently living የምትኖሪበት current placeሽን current locationሽን አስገቢ። ቀጣይ ቤቱን ፎሎ አድርጉ፣ ኮፕሊንግ አድርጉ፣ ሼር አድርጉ። ሱራ ያላ ማይ ዲር ቀጥይ። current locationሽ አስገቢ። ቀጣይ hello ማያ
Yes.
current locationሽ አስገቢ። ቀጣይ current location means currently living in the UAE ውስጥ ነው የምትኖሪው?
Yes.
አዎ currently living in the UAE and ስራሽን
Currently living in the UAE.
ከዛ ስራሽን
And my job and housemaid.
አሁን ፊክስ ይደረጋል። እቺን ፊክስ ትደረጋለች። እሺ ቶሎ በይ። እድሜሽን ንገሪኝ።
I'm 20 years old.
20
years old, yeah.
20 ኦኬ። ስምሽን? ማያ ኦኬ። ሀገርሽ ኢትዮጵያ ራይት?
Yes.
የምትኖሪው ዱባይ?
Yes.
ሃሌሉያ ኦኬ ሌትስ ጎ ማይ ዲር ጎበዝ ልጅ ሶሪ የሆነ ነገር ትዝ ብሎኝ ነው። ኦኬ ማይ ዲር ኦኬ ሌትስ ጎ አሁን ማለት ነው would you please tell me or would you please introduce me about yourself or would you please tell me about yourself ስልሽ ማለት ነው of course ቲና my name is Maya I'm from Ethiopia and I'm 20 years old ኧረ በእናትሽ ትንሽ እንጨምርበት 22 እናድርገው ቢያንስ ትንሽ እንጨምርበት የኔ ፍቅር 22 እናድርገው ቢያንስ ወይ 23 የለም my dear ኧረ ድምፅሽ ሞተዋል ሹሃዳ
ያው 22 አድርጊልኝ አልኩሽ እኮ
ድምፅሽ ምንድን ነው ስልክሽ ላይ ተኝተሽበት ነው እንዴ
No, I don't know.
ኦኬ አታስቆርፊኝ እኔ ሳኮርፍ እንደማያምርብኝ ታውቂያለሽ ኦኬ
አላራ
እድሜሽ ላይ ትንሽ ጨምሪበታ
ኦኬ አንቺ ጨምሪበት ልክን አድርጊው
ኦኬ ኦራይት 25 አድርጌዋለሁ ምን ትያለሽ
ኖርማል ነው ኦኬ
25 ኦኬ እንዲህ ብለሽ ነው የምታወሪው ስቴፕ ባይ ስቴፕ ኦኬ ፈርስት you have to tell me your name second you have to tell me your nationality ከዛ በኋላ እድሜሽን ኦኬ ኦኬ አሁን ይሄንን ሲሰራ እንዴት ነው የሚሆነው ኦራይት ኦፍ ኮርስ ትይኛለሽ would you please tell me about yourself ስልሽ ማለት ነው ስለራስሽ ልትነግሪኝ ትችያለሽ ስልሽ of course ብለሽ ነው የምትጀምሪው of course my name is Maya I'm from Ethiopia and I'm 25 years old currently living in the UAE and I am ብለሽ ስራሽን I am housemaid right
Yes.
ጎበዝ ልጅ I am a housemate የላ እንሂድበት አሁን ስምሽን መጀመሪያ ሀገርሽን እድሜሽን ከዛ current placeሽን ከዛ ደግሞ ስራሽን በለበ ማሪ
አይዋ አንተለ
ድምጽሽ ሞቷል ማያ በእናትሽ ተመልሰሽ ነይ በቃ ኔክስት
tell me now I don't know
you have to be with me my dear you have to be with me I'm losing my energies you know that
okay no good or no
ድምጽሽን ከፍ አድርገሽ በደም ተከታተይ ነው እንጂ እኮ ለኖርማል ነው እኔ ለፍልፌ ብትጠቀሚ ደስ ነው የሚለኝ ግን ለፍልፌ በአየር ላይ ከቀረም አይነፋም
አሁን ይሰማሻል አይደል አሁን
ጎበዝ ይሰማኛል ኦኬ አሁን ስምሽን ቀድመሽ ንገሪኝ ከዛ ሀገርሽን ኦኬ ከዛ በኋላ እድሜሽን
thank you my name is Maya I'm from Ethiopia and
ብለሽ እድሜሽን
I'm from Ethiopia and I am 25 years old I currently
living in the UAE
currently living in the UAE and I am housemate
ጎበዝ ልጅ finish
I am housemate
finish ግን ማለት ነው አስተካክለሽ በይው ቶሎ በይ
ቶሎ ብዬ
እኔም በስርዓት ልጠይቅሽ አንቺን በስርዓት መልሽ okay
ጠይቅልኝ
hello my dear would you please tell me about yourself a little bit
of course my dear my name is Maya I'm from Ethiopia and I am 25 years old currently living in the UAE what about
I am ብለሽ ስራሽን
I am a housemate a housemate
እንዳለ ቸክ በቃ ጎበዝ አሪ እንዳለ ቸክ ነው እሺ ቸክ
ብዬ ማለት ይችላል አሁን
አዎ እሺ ቶሎ በይ ኤክስ ካረኩ ኤክስ ነሽ ራይት ካረኩ ራይት ነሽ ቶሎ በይ እያየሽ አትይ
ኦኬ ጠይቂኝና ያ my dear ብዬ ነው ማውራት
hey my dear how are you can you please tell me about yourself a little bit
okay of course my dear my name is Maya I'm from Ethiopia I am 25 years old currently living in the UAE and I am
የተረገመ ማስታወቂያ እየገባብኝ ነው ኮፕሊንግ አድርጉ ስትባሉ አትሰሙ ወይ ቆይ እኔ ቆንጆ ኮፕሊንግ አድርጉ ሁላችሁም ፕሊዝ ለ5 ደቂቃ Okay, let's go my dear. Let's go. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much. አመሰግናለሁ በጣም. Let's go my dear.
Okay.
ቶሎ በይ ቸክ እያደረግን ነበር አፍጥኙ መዳም መጣች
አልመጣችም እየወረደ
እና ሂጅበት ድምጽሽ ሞቷል አልመስላኔ ስንቱልች ቶሎ በይ Thanks for the flower
ምግብ ስለማልበላ
ቶሎ በይ my dear
Okay my name is Maya My name is Maya I'm from Ethiopia currently living in the UAE
and I am housemate በየተኛሽ ነው እንደምትነሹ ወይኔ ፈጣሪ ሆይ and I am a housemate
I am a house
Okay ጎበዝ በቃ Thank you Fix it up okay fix it up and ዝም ብለሽ ተለማመጂ እሺ እኔ ቆንጆ
ፈርታ ይሁን አላውቅም ወይ ደግሞ ታዳምጥ
አራቺ ድምጿ ሞቷል አዛገንሽኝ እኮ ቢስሚላህ ድምጿ ሞቷል ማያ ድምጽሽ ሞቷል ወላሂ እንዴ ልገባ ስልኬ ውስጥ ልገባ ምንም አልቀረኝም
ለሌላው ያልተሰጠው እድል 3 4 እድል ተሰጠሽ ግን ደግሞ ነፍስሽ
ብርድ ልብስ ውስጥ ሆና ነው የምታወራው መሰለኝ። ኦኬ ኔክስት
አይደለም
ያላ ሀቢብቲ have a nice day, have a great day.
Okay, thank you my dear.
All right. Next ሀዩቲ በቃ እንዳታስገቢ እነዚህን።
እሺ